Alright, so in this video I'm going to be doing my own little review of the Pittsburgh Automotive or Harbor Freight lever action grease gun. The item number on this is 63686. Again, 63686. This grease gun, I picked it up for $15.99 on sale plus tax, and it comes included with everything that you see on the box. So you get the hard line and the flexible line. You do get the connectors for each, and the grease gun assembly itself. There's no grease included with this. I already went ahead and installed the tube. Okay, so I have the grease gun here. I've already gone ahead and got ahead of myself here, but I went ahead and greased a lot of the pivot points. Being that this is the last one and I'm doing this one-handed, I'm going to try to do this. Let's see. I'll use this as leverage. Here we go. So, with 3 pumps, I got some grease coming out of the ends there. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that should do it. And then I'll turn this. And there we go. And that's pretty much done. So, if you're greasing something, like say a skidster, especially like these older ones with the belt-driven governors, there's some linkages in there that need to be greased. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and look for the rest of them here, see if there's anything else that needs to be greased. But anyways, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for checking out this video. That's the Pittsburgh Automotive or Harbor Freight lever action grease gun. Again, item number is 63686. Again, 63686. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.